review problem number 8. A new pet food company wants to sell their product online and use social media to promote themselves. To determine whether to use a dog or a cat as their mascot, they research the number of clicks on links with an image of a dog or a cat. So here is the measure of center, measure of variability for, and the histogram to go with dog images. And then here we have those measures of center and measures of variability along with the histogram for the cat images. Okay. Based on the shape of the distributions, what measures of center and measure of variability would you use to compare the distributions? So looking at them, they are pretty symmetrical. Not exactly symmetrical, but pretty symmetrical. They're not skewed in any one direction for sure. So that tells me I need to use the mean as the measure of center. And then also because it's pretty symmetrical, the standard deviation is also going to be the best measure of variability. So mean and standard deviation, and the explain your reasoning is that both of the distribution have a shape fairly symmetrical, pretty symmetrical, however you want to word that. Based on the data that's shown here, should the company use a dog or a cat mascot? Explain your reasoning. So not what you love, but based on the data. Up here, based on the data, the average number of clicks for dog is higher than cat. So that means that dogs are getting more clicks. But the standard deviation for cats is smaller than dogs, which the smaller the standard deviation, the better. That means there's less variability, remember? So you could pick either of those, but I'm just going to go with the, based on the mean, the dog has a higher average number of clicks, so the company should pick a dog.